We'll guide you through how to factory reset your laptop. If you find this useful and it's successful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I'm doing this on a Lenovo laptop, but you can do it on other brands as well. So you may want to do this so you go and have a fresh start, or perhaps you're looking to go and sell it or give it away. We're going to guide you through how this is done. Just remember, you are going to go and lose everything. So you may want to go consider backing up anything that you want to go and keep, as otherwise it will go and be lost. So just so you're aware of that. But if you're sure you want to go and do this, what we're going to do is go down and press the Windows Start button like so. Then you can go and hold the left shift key, and you want to go down and tap on the power button, and you want to go and press Restart. Now it's going to go and say please wait. Go and be patient while this goes and restarts. It's going to go and start in a certain mode. You can go and see the screen has now gone black. Shortly you go and see the boot screen. For me, it's going to go and say Lenovo. Of course, you may go and have a different manufacturer. It doesn't matter. You can go and see it's now coming on now. Keep waiting. And here we are. So now it's going to go and give us some different options. We need to go and click on troubleshoot though. And then you can go and press reset this PC. Choose if you want to go and keep your files or go and remove everything. I want to go and remove everything. Now at this point here, it's going to ask you how you want to go and reinstall Windows. I want to go and do a local reinstall from this device, as otherwise it will go and download it again, which can take some more time. Now it's important to note that during this time, you may go and get a pop-up about BitLocker. This is an encryption for your drive. So what you can do is you'll need to go, if that's turned on, you'll need to go and head to the web address it gives on another device, sign in there and go and get the code, and then enter in the code on the laptop. Then you'll be able to go and continue. So you can go and choose if you want to go and keep this set up. I don't want to, so I'll press no. Choose whether you want to just remove your files or fully clean the drive. So if you're looking to sell it, I'd use that. Otherwise, the top option will be fine. Now go and wait, and this is going to be the confirmation screen. It's just going to go and get things ready, and you can go and confirm them. As you can go and see, it says reset this PC. Are you ready to reset it? Understand that everything is going to be lost. And when you're ready, you can go and click reset and let it complete. When it's done, it can then be set up again.